Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th and we are on chapter 24 angles with their types. I hope everything is well at your place. Be safe and many of you are coming to school also, so that is the plus point, and let's be positive in a positive way. Okay. So let us see the concept of angle. Two different rays starting from the same fixed point form an angle. So two rays, you can see here OA and OB are two rays. OA and OB are two rays which join at point O. Okay, and this angle is formed. So OA and OB are two rays which start from point O. OA and OB are two rays which start from point O. Okay. So the symbol for angle is this. You can see the symbol, and whenever you have to write and name an angle, angle AOB. Okay. But whenever you have to write, an angle is represented by three capital letters. So always see here. Here also three letters, three letters, three letters. So angle ABC, always you have to keep in mind that B, that is vertex. Here Q, that is vertex, should be there in the center. See here, vertex. Vertex means where the two rays meet or where the two rays start. So B, here also B at the center. So AB, angle ABC or angle CBA. Both are correct. Angle ABC is also correct and angle CBA is also correct. You have to just keep in mind that B should be at the center. That is, vertex should be at the center. Similarly, this case, angle PQR is equal to angle PQR or angle RQP. See that vertex should be kept in the center. Okay. Now, what is important here is I can name these angles as according to their vertex also. Now this angle ABC, angle CBA we have seen. Same angle can be named as angle B according to its vertex. Okay. And here angle PQR can be named according to its vertex. That is angle Q. Alright. So angle, you can see here angles Q. So this little blur is happening in between. I hope this situation doesn't come. Okay. So this can be named as angle P. This can be named as angle Q. Right. Also now you can see important. This is important that if the points are like this, then angles can be named angle AOB, angles AOD is allowed, angle COB, angle COD. Are you understanding? So this can be named as angle O first, then angle AOB, then angle BOA, then angle COB, angle COD, etc. So you can see here what is the most important part here is O. That is, vertex is always in the center. Vertex is always in the center. So that is the important point. So interior of an angle we will see. You can see here the interior of an angle is the region that lies within the angle. So you can see here angle BOA and you can see the shaded green part, light. This shaded part is interior of an angle. Interior, inside. Okay, so this shaded part is inside the angle. So we say that it is interior. Similarly, exterior of an angle. Exterior of an angle you can see here. This white part is interior now, and this shaded part which is outside green colored part, it is exterior of an angle. Okay, interior we have seen. Now this green part which is outside the angle is known as exterior of an angle. Okay. So after this we are going to see how to measure an angle. The unit of measurement of an angle is degree. The way you measure apples, the way you measure milk, So these are all units of measurement. Okay, apples we measure in kg, milk we measure in liter. Similarly, angles are measured in degree. Okay, the symbol for degree is, you can see here, this is the symbol. And if measure of an angle is 60 degrees, we write it as 60, and you can see here where to write degree. So it is 60 degree. All right. So now directly we will see types of angles. Whatever part I am taking, that part is only important, children. Remember this thing. All right. So types of angles. Acute angle. An angle of the angle which is less than 90 degree is known as acute angle. So you can just see the shapes of these acute angle. They are always this way. C. Okay. So how to name it as angle A, B, C or angle C, B, A. Here angle P, Q, R or angle R, Q, P. Here angle L, M, N or angle N, M, L. Alright. So these are 60 degree, 80 degree, 35 degree. An angle which is less than 90 degree is known as acute angle. For example, 89 degree, 88 degree, 87 degree, 86 degree, 80 degree, 75 degree. So all 1 to 89, which 89 degree is also an acute angle, 50 degree is also an acute angle, 60 degree is also an acute angle. Okay. Right angle. So up to 89 is acute angle. So what is 90 then? 90 degree is right angle. So angle of 90 degree is known as right angle. So you can see the way it is displayed. Angle A, B, C. So always 90 degree is shown with square. Square symbol. Here you can see curve symbol. So that is the difference in normal other measurement of angles and 90 degree. For 90 degree specially we use square, and here curve. You can see curve here also. Angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Angle XYZ is equal to 90 degree. So 90 degree is nothing but right angle. So two lines that form an angle of 90 degree are said to be perpendicular to each other. This we have seen in the last lesson. Okay. Obtuse angle. An angle of more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is known as obtuse angle. So all these angles you can see 110, 135, then 150. They are in between 90 degree and 180 degree. So such angles are obtuse angle. For example, 105, 120, 130, 140, 145, 160, 179 also. 179 is also an obtuse angle. But what is 180? So obtuse angle is the angle more than 90 but less than 180. Okay. So up to 179 degree obtuse angle. So what is after that? 180 degree. So 180, after 180 degree we have straight line angle. So you can see here ray CA and ray CB. CA arm and CB arm. So together they form 180 degree. Okay. So angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. Angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. Angle XYZ is equal to 180 degree. So 180 degree is straight angle or straight line angle because it's a straight line. Alright, so you can see here 180 degree. So a straight line angle is 180, which is twice two right angles. Which is twice right angle. Means what? You can see here this is 90 degree and one more 90 degree. So 90 plus 90, this is 180 degree. Okay. Now next is reflex angle. Reflex angle, an angle of more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle. You can see here angle ABC is obtuse here. This angle is obtuse. But there is one more angle which is hidden outside, that is this angle 240 degree. This is 240 degree. So what should be this angle? If this is 240, so this obtuse angle also can be found out by 360 degree minus 240 degree will give you angle ABC. But that is not our point right now. Our point is reflex angle. So what is reflex angle? The outside angle for acute angle or obtuse angle is known as reflex angle. So this is the outside angle we say. So this is 240 degree, right? Here also for acute, if I want to write acute, if I write simply like this RQP, so I mean to say that I'm talking about this angle. But when I add reflex word in that, reflex RQP, it means I'm talking about this outside angle, that is 290 degree. Always remember. Now in this case, when I only write angle XYZ, I mean to say that I'm talking about acute angle. But when I add reflex word with it, reflex angle XYZ, it means I'm talking about the outside angle, which is 320. So I hope you have understood the difference in acute, obtuse and reflex angle. Okay. So an important result which is really very important is the sum of angles around a point is always 360. So this is the point O and these are all the angles. Point O and we have angle 1, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. And these angles are formed around a point O. Okay. So the sum of angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4 is always 360 degree because they form complete angle. Because they form complete angle. Okay. So the sum of the angles around a point is always 360 degree. Alright. So it is given here. You can see here angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle COD plus angle DOA is equal to 360 degree. Okay. Next is adjacent angles. Two angles are said to be adjacent angles if they have their vertices at the same point and they have one common arm and the other arms of the angles are on the opposite sides of the common arm. So what is the most important part is two things, common vertex and common arm. Now here in this figure if you will see angle BOA and angle BOC are adjacent angle. Angle BOA and angle BOC are adjacent angles. Okay. Now you will ask why? Because their vertex is common. These two angles vertex is common and this is the common arm. Means these two angles share one common arm. That's the reason why angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent angles because they have one common vertex and one common arm. Right? Now, vertically opposite angles. When two straight lines intersect, the angles on the opposite sides of their point of intersections are called vertically opposite angles. Here in this case, lines AB and DC intersect each other at point O. Now, two angles are formed. Four angles are formed. 1, 2, 3, 4. But in this, opposite angles are called as vertically opposite angle. So here angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. You can see the marking. This shows these two angles are equal and here double marking. So here also double and here also double marking, which shows that angle AOC is equal to angle DOB. And they are vertically opposite angles also. So in this figure, angle AOC and angle BOD are called vertically opposite angles. Also, angle AOD and angle BOC are also called vertically opposite angles. Okay. And the most important part is they are equal. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. Now, congruent angles. Angles having the same measure are said to be congruent angle. Now, in this case, angle PQR is 45 degree, angle ABC is 45 degree, and angle XYZ is 45 degree. So, we say that the measures of all these three angles are equal. That's the reason angle PQR is congruent to angle BAC and angle BAC is also congruent to angle XYZ. So the angles PQR, ABC and XYZ are congruent since these angles have the same measure, that is 45 degree. Okay, so I hope you understood. Congruent means equal angle. So now we are on exercise 24A. For each of the given below, write the names of the vertex, the names of the arms and the names of the angles. So we will see it angle AOB. You can see vertex is O. This is the vertex O. Arms are OA and OB. Arms means these rays which form an angle. So OA and OB are arms. Angle AOB or angle BOA, name of the angle. Angle AOB or angle BOA, and we can also write angle O. Okay. So question number 2nd and 3rd are homework. You have to just write name of the vertex, names of the arms and names of the angles. Right? Now, question number 2. Write the interior of angle PQR and exterior points on the angle PQR. So, interior of angle PQR you can see ABX. Why? Because they are interior, and exterior are DMNST. Alright. So, these are interior and these are exterior. Right. Now, question number 3 we will see in the next video. Right. Thank you so much and please take care.